Yeah, what's up, DBA hack in the house. So today I'm gonna talk about how to install WordPress locally. So the first video, I'm gonna show you how to download the file that we're gonna use in the next video, inshallah, in our next videos, yeah. So first of all, this is the first video in this channel. As you can see, DBA hack, and this is the channel. As you can see, we have here a cover. Come join us, subscribe, comment, like, and this is our website. And yeah, of course, I love you all. So please don't forget to click on the red button, subscribe, and activate the notification for all to get all my next videos. So yeah, this is the channel. This channel doesn't have any content yet, so this video that I'm recording right now is gonna be like the first video. Of course, it's gonna be like the first video. It's not like, okay. So as you can see here, we have this is this is our website. Sorry, because we are two. It's our website about us privacy policy. I already have two posts, as you can see. Informix Creatable, and Informix is one of the best RDBMS. Who doesn't know what is Informix? Informix is a database management system. Okay, so the main of this video is WordPress, so we're gonna go to wordpress.org, sorry. We're gonna go to this website, and as you can see, this is the website organization. This is the website or WordPress website organization. As you can see, it is it. Okay, so we need the WordPress in our machine to develop our theme and so on. We can do a lot of things in our local WordPress. For example, we can just build the theme and use it locally before we do what we want to do in our prod or product website. So we're gonna click on this blue button, as you can see, get WordPress, and after, as you can see here, get WordPress use the software that power over 43% of the web. Okay, you can read all that shit, all these things, WordPress hosting and so on. What we need on this page, sorry, is this blue button again. Download WordPress 5.8.2. Yeah, and he told us where we want to put our zip file. Of course, I'm gonna let the default is the download folder in my laptop, and I'm gonna click on save. Okay, as you can see, the file is just 50.7 megabytes. You can also download it if you have Unix OS operation system, and using this link here, download.char.gz. Okay, so that's it for the first video. I hope you like it and you join it. So the next video, inshallah, we're gonna talk about how to have a good environment to work using this file. Of course, we're gonna need a lot of things like a local server and so on, but I'm gonna show you everything about this in the next video, so stay tuned. Yeah, so that's the first video, and as always, DBA hack in the house, and see you in the next video. Peace and love. Goodbye, guys.